Hello everyone, it's Monday, Motorcycle Monday. We went to a rally this weekend, got some great bikes for you. Also, a way to win something at the end of the video. Let's get going. Rally to the Valley, Spirit Mountain Casino in Oregon with my husband on his birthday. Can't get much better than that.
So this right here is 56 helmets for the 56 riders that we lost last year in Oregon alone. What we do is riders needing assistance is we go in, we help build wheelchair ramps, mow yards, pay utility bills, take kids back to school shopping. Because when people are injured or killed, the last thing they need to be doing is worrying about small, mundane chores. And if somebody's killed, a lot of times it's 6 months to a year before any settlements. So we help try to bridge that gap of need that people might have.
Okay, this is my friend. Let me see if she's in here. Where's your mama?
Down there.
Hi. Hey. What's going on?
I'm just sitting here. Well, get up and go say hi. Oh, you taking pictures?
I'm doing just a little bit video.
Each day until things, oh Lord, hold you by me, a color to you.
Okay, everybody ready? Let's go.
Oh, that's gonna be fun.
Oh my gosh.
So they're putting on Frozen t-shirts. Or trying to. Okay, that guy there banging it, I'm pretty sure he's gonna have it open first.
If you're not participating, come on up and watch. They're having fun on it. Well, maybe some of them are. We got one almost. Got it open.
You're almost there, dude. It won't happen.
He's putting on his t-shirt.
And we have a winner!
Slowly, but he's getting it on. We have a winner.
Awesome!
Are you having a good birthday weekend?
What's that?
Are you having a good birthday weekend?
Whose birthday is it?
Yours, dude.
My birthday?
Show him your birthday present. Night Rider jewelry, everyone. They rock. See, this is really, guys, what bikers are about. So it's definitely less the chicken shit ones, but it's ending child abuse. It's helping people. It's being there when no one else is. So we were just speaking with some guys out there trying to figure out what a song was that was being played. And I told Jeff there is no one here older than him. He's 67 today. Happy birthday, my husband. And he asked the guys, they were sitting there, and they knew what the song was. It's Frankenstein by Edgar Winter. And they're all younger than him and said, I really hope to look as good as you when I'm your age. One of them had just turned 60, he looked 80. Right?
See.
what it's about. Here's another, this is BACA, Bikers Against Child Abuse. I highly suggest you guys support these guys. They do amazing work in the child community, abused child community. They will go to court with children so they don't have to be there alone. They testify. These guys do amazing work.
Look at the pipe and the black bike right here.
These bikes are all going to be in the show this afternoon. Should have been mine. We are going to see an Indian. This bike's gonna give mine a run for its money. We have run into Santa Claus.
And the 22nd, I'll be there just, hanging out, pictures with the kids and stuff.
Yeah. Sometimes you assume something's going to be rude to somebody.
Oh, no,
And I said that, I said I walked back with let a deal, he's not bothered by it, you go to Santa Claus.
I don't bother me a bit.
I don't know about you, but I'm kind of ready to go home.
That's I am too.
All right, let's head out.
Rally in the Valley. Hasta luego, muchacho.
Oh, man.
How was it, honey?
There's a fight. That brown bass almost killed me. I'm not even sure where it was. Out on one of the macros out there, guys, on the little piece of property out there.
Right. Yeah.
So everyone, this is really important why you support your veterans and why bikers do it. We just spoke with a guy that was shot down in Iraq. And how many crew members were there on the helicopter?
There were 7 crew members.
No, there were more than that. 7 survived. The others were killed on impact. Of the 7 surviving, that survived, he's the only one left because the others had PTSD so bad they shot themselves. So guys, really, give it up for our heroes, give it up for our fallen, give it up for the guys that give it up for us.
And oh, by the way, if you're a sports athlete, stand up and put your hand on your heart for the soldiers, if no other reason.
Amen.
Getting a picture.
My husband taking a picture of my motorcycle. Oh my gosh. I think Armageddon has come. So there are not a lot of bikes here right now because they're all out on a poker run.
This girl could not take the heat at Rally in the Valley, and that's really a shame because I'm a Texan. I tell you what, it freaking sucked out there. But the bike's freaking awesome.
We've got to eat before we take off because I'm starving. Boo. Bikes are. I can't remember. Oh, I see. Okay guys, like I told you, I have 2 gift cards to give away. I am going to link the way you can win them right here in this video. Follow the instructions in that, and it tells you everything, what you need to do, when I'm going to be making the drawings, and what you can win. You guys have a fantastic day. Peace out. See you later.